All right, so oh yeah, I need doggy baggies too. I forgot doggy baggies, um, denture bones, salt, creamer. Let's see if I can remember. I should have made a list. Oh, and I didn't even grab a cart. She's got enough treats, and that food is really bad for cats. Anyways, oh, so oh, I forgot a basket. Oh, I got her these ones. 12 of them in there. So we got the pedigree one, and then we got the milk bone. The milk bone is $4.50. Look at her. She likes these ones. She gets them so quick though. Oh. So we got these ones. Pause it for a minute. Oh, doggy bags. Oh yeah, I think I walked by them. Missed them. Oh, look at all that stuff. Fake plants. I got real ones. I missed doggy baggies. Where are they? I think they're over here. There you are. Alright, the last time I just got that one and it didn't last very long. I'm gonna get these ones. I'll get these ones. Let's get these ones. Right now, salt. I think they passed it. This is oil that it should be at. There it is. Oh, yes. Look at this one. And then, what else do I need? Dish soap. That's what I forgot. It's over here. Let's get I'm gonna get this one, the Dawn. This one, I'll get this one. Okay, what else? Nice. And creamer, I think that's what I need to do. Creamer. There it is. It's only, that was only $1.97. How are ya?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm pretty good. Let's get two of them. Okay. Get some juice. I like to get the mango juice. This one. Get that one. All right, that's it. Or should I get? Oh, should I get some sunflower seeds? Are they in this aisle of sunflower seeds?
I have no clue. I don't even.
Oh, I know you did though, right?
I did.
Yeah, I thought so. I would recognize faces. I gotta get some sunflower seeds. They'll help me quit smoking. Where are they? I like these two. These are good snacks. The sesame snacks. Oh, there they are. These are the cheaper ones. They're okay too. Let's get 2 bags. Yeah, let's get 2 bags. That'll be my snack. All right, let's get out of here before I spend any more money. I don't need no chips. I don't even like chips so much. Now that there's hard for me to walk by. Should I get some small ones? Just have like small ones. No, let's leave the chocolate alone today. Cheapest place to get pop though is over here. And I think I feel like an orange one. Okay. Why didn't you have to go back there for the sunflower seeds? They're right here. All right, let's crash out. Those are good. Sour cream and bacon. Oh, let's see.
Yep. I was thankful that I booked all last week.
All this stuff.
Do you need a bag for today?
23 bucks. Oh. All right, now we gotta look at all the snow. I only like to look at the snow when it's just the first snow and it's like all on the trees and stuff and it's so pretty. All right, maybe I'll take you for a drive.